my name is Andi Bühler. This is the DrumCode Paradiddle 4. Today we are playing the diddle para, which is the third one of the paradiddles. So we are starting with a diddle with a double stroke. Right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And we are accenting the single stroke. So it's diddle para, diddle para, diddle para, diddle para. On the snare drum with the rim shot a bit closer to the rim so it sounds a bit more funky and not too rocky. If you're starting with that, just take the pulse into the hi-hat or in the bass drum. Right? So accents on the snare, that's version 1. Version 2 is playing the accents on the tom-toms. Sounds like this. So why are there two versions? I want to give you two different ideas of how to play this. Actually, it's the same technically, it sounds different. So again, version 1, accents on the snare. We are combining the diddle para with the paradiddle. So diddle para comes when we're playing the black spot. So actually number 15. Only black spots would sound like this. It's always 4 strokes per spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one time. Number 15, the 4 spots. So whole line number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One whole line, number 15, played with the snare accents. So, number 15 played with the tom accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's this. So, the white spot is the normal paradiddle. Version 1, together with the snare accents, we are playing cymbals on the first stroke. Paradiddle, 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 right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. First stroke, always on the cymbal. With a kick drum. So if you have a crash or a right cymbal, you can use this one. So I'm a poor guy, I only have a hi-hat on my left side. So I'm using this one, slightly opened. So there is a cymbal sound. That's the paradiddle. Playing when you play that when there's a white spot. Or we have the paradiddle version 2 on the tom-toms. So, version 1, snare accents with a diddle para and cymbals for the paradiddle. Let's hear number 5. Black, black, white, white. Diddle para, paradiddle, paradiddle, diddle para, paradiddle, paradiddle. And the same thing, number 5, with version 2, all accents on the tom-toms. Got it? So let's hear it. One line, number 5, version 1. One line, number 5, version 2. All right. So here's number 1, version 1. Number 1, version 2. Again. 3, 4. Both. So you don't have to mix these two versions. I just wanted you to give both things. It sounds different, and it's actually cool stuff for fill-ins or even for grooves. I mean, if you play the version 2, only the tom accents, and you take a foot pattern under it, like this. It's the Charleston foot pattern. You see? So that's the one thing. Version 1, totally cool as a fill-in. All right, so go through the reading book. Maybe sometimes it's good to pick only one number and to work with that one number and not to play all the reading book. But that's up to you. Don't forget the 3-spot section. There it gets a bit weird because you have to do the hands turn every time. But you'll see, you'll figure it out. If you have any questions, write to me. I guess this stuff really sounds cool. It's fun to me. I hope it's fun for you. So see you soon. Bye.